Hello again, friends and fellow collectors. So this video here is my answer to the challenge of Show Your Monster Trucks by Paul Schwach, the diecast guy. So I'm going to show you what I have in my collection for monster trucks. So we'll start up here. So we have the Gotta Dump, which is just a hilarious name to begin with, so I had to have that. That's pretty cool. Then the VW van, which is super cool. The drag bus, and we can't forget the mystery machine. Loves Scooby-Doo. Then we got the 56 Hightail hauler, Mr. Walmart's truck. Of course, can't forget the classic Bigfoot. We got the Big Kahuna, another cool truck. One of my favorite, or my all-time favorite monster truck, Gravedigger. And then there is Gravedigger with a little Gravedigger. Grabbed that because it was on sale. I thought it was pretty cool, and a glow-in-the-dark Carbinator. We got the Miss Bigfoot, which is the treasure hunt for that, which is super cool. And we got the Twin Mill B&M. We got this Black Widow truck right there. I don't know if that one's a treasure hunt or not, but it does got the red wheels on it. Of course, can't forget the Barbie camper, the Oscar Mayer Wienermobile, the Fast and the Furious Charger, the Roger Dodger, the Try to Crush Me three-wheeler, this cool Myers Manx, and the Ram van. I still haven't seen the Poison Pinto. What was the other one? There was a Twin Mill pink that was a treasure hunt. I think there was a pink 70 Dodge Charger RT that I never seen. Then we have this little Gravedigger monster truck. Then we have this one, which was from my childhood. They put the batteries in it, put the buttons on it, and it crawls over stuff. I never found the other exhaust pipe yet to it, so, and I may not, but there's that. Then we have this Gravedigger and that Gravedigger. But I also have been collecting the Kings of Crunch, so these ones I'm going to show. So I've got, as far as I know, all three of the 83 Ram W350 so far. This one is obviously the Mopar Magic. And let's see, then we got the 83 Dodge Ram W350 LE Desperado, which is cool as well. And the 83 Dodge Power Ram D250 Mopar Magic. This one's probably my favorite out of all the Dodge trucks so far. For the Mopar Magic, I do like that one. It's a super cool truck. Then I do have the 85 K3500 Sierra Classic Overtime. Love that 3-carb intake setup on that. Really sweet looking square body Chevy. Then we have the Playing for Keeps Chevy GMC S15. That's super cool because I had a couple Chevy S10s, which is the same thing as the Sonomas, basically. So that's really cool. I like that one. And you can't forget about Bigfoot's rival, good old USA 1 in the 70 Chevy K10. And we can't forget Bigfoot number 5 with the ginormous tires. And we got Bigfoot number 3. And we have Bigfoot number 9. So all really cool trucks. I do have another loose, I'm trying to think of what it is. It's not the Roger Dodger. Maybe it is. Let me go over here and look. So we have that's right here. I think this is the Roger Dodger as well. Just trying to see if it says this is a thrift shop find for the monster trucks. And of course all of the Jada Just trucks are all basically considered monster trucks. So hope you guys enjoyed my answer to the challenge. Figured I'd do this challenge real quick. Very cool challenge, as I do like monster trucks. So hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting, and we'll catch you in the next one.